to this video that will show you how to cry. No, just play the next bit. How to cry. Are you happy all the time and just need some sadness and misery in your life? Maybe you're wearing a lot of makeup, which you're looking to remove, but don't have any makeup remover to hand, so require your own tears in order to help wipe that makeup off your face. Perhaps you're looking to star in a big Hollywood blockbuster movie, and there happens to be a crying scene, so you're just looking to brush up on your crying abilities. Perhaps you have accidentally got your body stuck down a drain pipe, and require your own tears to act as a lubricant in order to help squeeze yourself back out again. Maybe you bought yourself a goldfish that came with a goldfish bowl, but unfortunately the shop owner didn't have any water available at the time, so you need to quickly cry into the bowl so that the goldfish can live. If any of these reasons apply to you, then this tutorial could help you out immensely. I will be showing you exactly what you need to do in order to burst into tears. Now, most people tend to cry from the eyeballs, so that is probably the best place to start teaching you this technique from. My eyeballs happen to be here, but it may take you a little longer for you to find yours. So now that we know where the tears will be coming from, how do we produce them? The best thing to do will be to think of something that's really sad, and it'll be personal to you, something that's really personally sad and stuff. So we'll give that a go. We'll see if it works. I don't know if it will, but we'll have to try these things in order to find out for ourselves. So I'm just going to try and think of something that's really sad. Oh no, that's not sad at all. Oh no, that's funny, that one. That's quite funny. Oh, I'm smiling instead of crying. This technique's not that good, is it? Hopefully you're having better luck. No, it's just not working for me. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. It's just not working at all. Well, that technique clearly doesn't work, so we'll just have to move on. Just skip past that. Unless it worked for you, then congratulations, I can clap for you. But it didn't work for me, so I have to try something else. So I've been told that onions make you cry, so we'll just see if that works. Well, it's definitely quite sad. It's just an onion. Don't think it's making me cry. No, there's no tears at the moment. I don't think this is working. It's frustrating more than anything else, but I don't think any tears are coming. No, this is not working whatsoever. People are made of strong stuff to be able to cry from onions, in my opinion. It's just not working for me. That makes me sad. Well, the onion did make me feel quite sad, but didn't quite push me over the edge to make those tears produce, unfortunately. So we'll have to try something else. I do have one final option that you can try. I have this glass of water that you can see here, and I'm thinking if I pour the glass of water directly into my eyeballs, then it should initiate the waterworks and I should start crying. You know, like how sparks can initiate a fire? Well, the same thing here. So we'll just see if this works. Just need to pour it into my eyeballs. Just like that. Why is it burning? It burns. It's burning my eyes. It's burning. Why is it burning my eyes? My eyeballs are burnt. My eyes are ruined. I can't see. I can't see. Where am I? Where am I? Thankfully, we now have a fantastic solution that will allow you to cry. However, if you do try this yourself, please be extremely careful, as you don't want to end up wasting water. And that completes the tutorial of how to cry. As this technique of crying has finally been discovered, I think it may now be worth bringing a bottle of water wherever I go. I've finally found a good use for it. So, cheers to that. See you later. Oh, it's burning my eyes. Oh, I can't see. I can't see anything again. Help me. Help.